Hello, my sweet ladies. Welcome to your 15-minute guided radiating love meditation. Radiating love to your specific person. So find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably for this 15 minutes and be undisturbed. Let your body settle naturally, hands resting softly and jaw unclenched. Now gently close your eyes and take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and release. Allow your breathing to become slow, smooth, and effortless. No need to force anything. Just let each breath arrive and leave like a calm tide. Now, arriving in the stillness, bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you are supported. The weight of your body, the subtle sensations of warmth or coolness. With each exhale, feel yourself sinking a little deeper into relaxation. Let go of any tension in your forehead, your shoulders, your chest, your stomach, your legs. You are safe here. You are grounded. You are open. Opening the heart. Now gently bring your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart space. Imagine a soft, glowing, emerald green light beginning to form there. Just like when you see an emerald green ring and the light hits the stone. At first it's small, like a gentle spark, but as you breathe in, it begins to grow. This light is a rich, luminous emerald green, deep, vibrant, and alive. With every inhale, the green light expands. With every exhale, it softens and warms. This is the energy of love, compassion, connection. Let it fill your chest, your ribs, your entire torso. Feel its warmth spreading through you. Calling in the person. Now gently bring back to mind the person you wish to send love to. See them clearly or simply feel their presence. Notice their energy, their essence. There's no need to analyze or force anything. Just allow them to be here with you in this space. As you hold them in your awareness, your heart light begins to glow even brighter. The emerald green radiance becomes richer, fuller, and more alive. Radiating love. Now imagine this green light extends outward from your heart. It flows gently like a soft wave, like a warm breeze. It reaches towards them, surrounding them completely. See them bathed in this emerald light. This light carries pure intention, love, care, warmth, and emotional connection. Without needing words, allow your heart to express. I care about you. I see you. I send you peace and happiness. I hold you in warmth and tenderness. Let the light wrap around them like a comforting embrace. Notice how it feels to give this love effortless, natural, abundant. There is no need to expect anything in return. Just the act of loving is enough. Stay here for a few quiet moments, breathing gently and letting the connection deepen. Soft, romantic connection. Now allow the energy to soften into something more intimate and tender. The emerald green light becomes silk-like, warm, gently glowing between you. There is a sense of closeness, emotional resonance, a quiet, unspoken understanding. Feel the connection, not as something you're forcing, but something that simply exists. A calm, loving bond. Let your heart remain open but relaxed. Nothing to chase, nothing to hold tightly. Just a gentle, flowing connection. Feel that emotion between you. Feel that light that is part of your self-love, the deeper parts of you that can love without condition, without needing to get anything back, purely radiating from a place of unconditional love. And just be in that space, just enjoying the flow from you to them. So you can do this now. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Closing and integration. Now slowly allow the image of this person to soften and fade while the feeling of love remains in your heart. The emerald light begins to draw back inward, returning fully to your chest. It stays with you steady, calm, glowing softly. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body again, the surface beneath you, the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, you can gently open your eyes. A final thought. Carry this feeling with you. The love you created didn't leave you. It lives within you, always available. And whenever you choose, you can return to this space again.